Welcome to Bridged, your gateway to AI-powered content intelligence. In this quick walkthrough, we'll guide you through setting up a smart reading agent, an AI assistant that analyzes your articles and enhances your reader's experience with structured insights. We begin at the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in to the dashboard. From the dashboard, head to the Agents section. This is where you can see all previously created agents and manage them. Click on Create Agent to start building a new one. The setup follows a 4-step process. First, you'll select the agent type. Smart Reading Agent falls under the Visitor Engagement category. Click to select it and proceed to the next step. In the Define step, give your agent a name. Then, decide where you want it to run. On your full domain, a section of your domain, a single page, or based on a regular expression. You can also specify exception URLs to exclude certain pages from the agent's visibility. For this demo, we'll go with full domain. Next comes the Design step, where you'll define the content and behavior of the agent. At the top, you'll find a toggle called Auto Approval. If enabled, AI-generated content will be automatically approved and published. If disabled, you'll have the chance to review content before it goes live. Scroll down to Choose the visitor needs your smart reading agent should address. These are modular cards that the agent will display on the page. You can select items like Summary of the article, Key people mentioned, Key facts, Key quotes, Related topics, Articles by the same author, Manually added article links, and Terminology explanations. You can also rearrange the order of these sections based on importance. In our example, we're selecting Summary, Key quotes, and Terminology. For each section, enter a question. This is what the AI will answer. And optionally add guidelines if you want to shape the tone or structure of the response. Below that, you have the option to add a lead collection call to action, or CTA. This sits above the agent output and allows you to gather email addresses or other information before showing the AI content. It's completely optional. Now it's time to decide where your agent will appear on the page. You'll find different placement options for desktop and mobile. If you don't set a mobile layout, the desktop settings will apply to both. Choose how to embed your card. For example, after a specific paragraph, after a string pattern, next to a particular HTML element, or in a floating sticky box. You can also decide at what scroll percentage the card should appear. Continue by customizing the appearance. In the Theme section, select your primary color, toggle between light or dark mode, and enable optional animations or layout styles. On the right side, you'll see a real-time preview of what the agent will look like as you make changes. Font and logo settings can also be customized individually for desktop and mobile. Under More settings, you can add a disclaimer text, adjust the Z-index, tweak the corner radius and margins, and define box shadows. You can also enable star ratings so visitors can rate the AI-generated output. Once you've completed the setup, proceed to the final step and click Publish. Your smart reading agent is now live. To see it in action, make sure the Bridged script is correctly installed on your website. If not, or if you're unsure, feel free to contact our support team. Also, it may take up to a minute for the AI to generate and display the engagement on your site. So don't worry if it's not immediate. If you'd like to update any part of the agent content, you can use the Bridged Chrome extension. Just open the target page, click the extension, and you'll be able to edit elements like quotes, terminology, and summary directly on the page. And finally, to monitor performance, go to the Agent Overview page in your dashboard. You'll see data like screen loads, impressions, engagements, average time spent, and section-level completion rates. These insights will help you refine your agent for even better results. That's it. You've just created and launched your smart reading agent, a powerful AI assistant that adds value to every piece of content you publish.